Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Almost all large Asia-Pacific equity markets were sold. After a reduction in loan prime rates, the exception that was notable was China's indices. Stoxx 600 in Europe is down by around 1.20%. This is the largest monthly drop. Futures in the US are less than 1%. The dollar is stronger against almost all emerging market currencies, but it is less strong against majors. For the sixth consecutive session, gold is being sold. It has reached the 61.8% retracement point of the rally that began at last month's low. The October WTI is slightly below $90, but within the range of the previous session. Asian Pacific market. The economy is facing new challenges due to the property market and ongoing zero-COVID policies. Extreme weather is also a problem. Sichuan is the focus of this report. It is one of the most populous provinces in China and is a major hub for manufacturing, particularly EV batteries and solar panels. The aluminum smelters, 1 million tons, appear to have been halted. A local power shortage is being exacerbated by the drought. The Yangtze River has nearly half the rainfall that is normal. Before reaching JPY 137.45 Tokyo, the dollar fell to JPY 136.70 early in European turnover. After plummeting 3.45% last Wednesday, the Australian dollar is showing resilience today. Market of Europe. The UK regulator will soon announce the new gas cap that will be in place for 3 months, starting October. Reports suggest that the increase could be as high as 80%. This is why the Bank of England warned that CPI could reach 13% by then. After an 83.7% increase last month, the UK wholesale benchmark has risen 47.5%. The UK gas prices have almost tripled in this year. Sterling and the euro continue to slide before weekend. The euro fell below parity to $0.9990. Sterling fell to just $1.1790 last weekend, and today it was closer to $1.1780. Market of America. Highlights in economic data include the preliminary PMI. This is where the estimate for services, median in Bloomberg's survey, is expected to recover from the decline below the 50 boom level. The preliminary estimate for July durable goods will be released in the middle of this week. The expected rise in shipment, which feed into the GDP models, is 0.3%. Market movers tend not to be the revision of second quarter GDP on the next day. Friday is the biggest day. The July merchandise trade, personal income, and consumption measurements are highlighted. Over the last 3 sessions, the US dollar rose by more than 1% against Canada's dollar. Although it edged slightly higher today, it still fell short of the CAD 1.3035 retracement goal. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.